Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Smart Hard Disk Error 301 and 302. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into these steps. Start by turning off your computer using the power button. Turn it back on and then quickly turn it off again as it is booting up. Repeat this process 3 times until you see the recovery screen that says your PC did not start correctly. Once the recovery screen appears, click on Advanced Options. From the options, select Troubleshoot. Then, click on Advanced Options again. Choose Command Prompt. If you don't see it, click on See Recovery Options to locate it. In the Commands Prompt window, type the following commands one at a time. chkdsk space C:. Press Enter and then wait for the scan to complete. Then type C. Press Enter to switch to the C drive. Now type sfc space /scan now. Press Enter to start the system file scan. Allow the scans to complete fully. Once all the scans are finished, close the command prompt. From the recovery screen, select Continue to return to Windows. Your PC should now start correctly. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.